How do I adjust the temperature on my refrigerator and freezer?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to adjust the temperature settings on your refrigerator and freezer. It's a simple process, but important to keep your food fresh and safe.
Identifying your control panel.
Every refrigerator is a bit different, so you first need to identify where your temperature controls are located. They could be inside the fridge, on a front panel, or in some cases, it might be a digital setting on the outside of the door.
Understanding the settings.
Once you've found your temperature controls, you'll see that they typically range from 1 to 5 or 1 to 9. In most cases, the lower the number, the warmer the temperature, and the higher the number, the cooler the temperature. For digital displays, the temperature may be displayed in degrees. The recommended setting for a refrigerator is 37 degrees Fahrenheit, or 3 degrees Celsius, and for a freezer, it's 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 18 degrees Celsius.
Adjusting the temperature.
Now, let's get to adjusting the temperature. If your refrigerator is too warm, turn the dial up to a higher number or adjust the digital setting to a lower degree. If your fridge is too cold, do the opposite. Make sure to adjust slowly, changing the setting by only one number or a few degrees at a time. This is because it can take up to 24 hours for the temperature to fully adjust to the new setting.
Checking the temperature.
Finally, after you've adjusted the temperature, you should check the temperature inside your refrigerator and freezer. You can do this with an appliance thermometer. Place it in the refrigerator and freezer, and check after 24 hours to make sure it's at the correct temperature. If it's not, adjust the temperature control again, and repeat this process until you reach the recommended temperature. That's all there is to it. You now know how to adjust the temperature settings on your refrigerator and freezer. It's an easy but important step to keep your food at the right temperature, ensuring it stays fresh and safe to eat. As always, if you have any doubts or your appliance isn't working correctly, reach out to a professional. Thanks for watching, and happy temperature adjusting!